Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to buy the S&P 500 Index Fund on Charles Schwab. First, open a Charles Schwab brokerage account if you don't already have one, and make sure you fund it with money you want to invest. Log in to your Schwab account and go to the Trade section. In the search bar, type the fund you're looking for. For example, Schwab Popular Option is the Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund, or you can choose the ETF version SCHX. Once you open the fund page, review the details such as performance, growth, and fees. Click Buy, enter the amount or number of shares you want to purchase, and then place your order. And that's it. That's how to buy the S&P 500 Index Fund on Charles Schwab. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.